Okay, you guys, I got another glueless kinky curly wig. So this is the wig straight out of the box. Only thing I've done was went in and tint my lace, and that was it. This wig was sent to me by CurlyMe Hair. I don't know if I've gotten a wig from them before. I feel like I have, but it may have been a while. But they sent me their glueless 𝐓𝐿 kinky curly wig. It is in 18 inches, and the density on it is 108% density. It is a 9x6 lace size, so 9 inches across, 6 inches back, and everything's already done for you. As you guys can see, they pre-bleached this unit, they pre-plucked it. Lace is already cut. This is what we're working with. So in here is the removable clips and an elastic band. So the combs, they do come out. There's one that goes in the back and then 2 little ones that come on the side. So if you want to add those or not use them, that's why they give them to you there. The elastic band, I would say this is absolutely necessary. They sent me an extra one, but I have it already in the wig. The elastic band has this nice little grip stuff so that your wig will not move at all. There is edge brush, pair of lashes, an edge band, and a dust bag. They just put it in this cute little packaging like this. So that's really nice. So that's all for the pack. I'm just going to ensure that the wig is sitting where it's supposed to. Make sure my little edges are out the way, even though they always kind of stick out. What I'm going to do, this is only 18 inches, but I want it to look super natural. So I'm going to take a little bit here in the front. I'm actually going to take both sides. That way I can kind of do this at the same time. Here, bring it to the front. And then I'm just going to kind of like trace it down. So this is how much I just took off by doing that. It is shorter. I feel like it should be a little bit easier to try to make it look natural. So that's really all that I'm attempting to do. Okay, so because this process is pretty self-explanatory, I'm going to do one side on camera and then I'm going to go off camera and do the other side. But I'm just going to take the hair, 2 sections on each side. I'm going to saturate the hair completely with some water. Then I'm going to go in with my brush to kind of clump the curls together. I might even do some like little finger coils and use a little bit of mousse as well. Those are like the only 2 products, mousse and water, that I use on curly hair. So this is going to be fairly easy and simple. And then I'll come back and give you guys kind of like my first impressions of this hair so far. Where we're at now with the hair after it has been fully dried, fluffed out, shaken, whatever. I'm trying to see. I kind of wanted it to have like a certain kind of shape, but I don't know how to get that. So I feel like I'm not going to keep cutting the hair because then I don't want to mess it up. But for now, I guess it's fine. I kind of wanted it to like be big and then like kind of go in like that. But like I said, I'm not sure how to get to that point. This is what it's looking like now. Still trying to play around and get the shape right, but we're just gonna continue on anyway. Yeah, I think it looks very natural looking. I didn't want it to look perfect or the curls to be too uniformed. I wanted it to kind of just look like natural. So anyways, just to piggyback off of what I said earlier, this is their pre-cut 9x6 lace 𝐓𝐿𝐴 Wear and Go Glueless wig. It is in the kinky curly texture. The lace is HD lace. I do have it in 18 inches. And then the density on it is 180% density. It comes in its natural black color. The lace is already pre-cut. Okay, so on the website, it does say depending on the length, the density could vary. So this is 180% density, but it also says like 260 density. So I guess the longer you get it, it might be a little bit more fuller to compensate for it actually being longer. So that's just something that just kind of caught my eye that I'm looking at for the description of this wig. I've already went over like the cap size of these 𝐓𝐿𝐴 wigs in another video. I'll link it down below just for reference because they're literally all the same, where they have the C-shaped around the ear cut out. They have an elastic band in them. They have removable combs, all that good stuff. Now, if you truly wear this wig glueless on their website, it says that it should last you for up to a year, which if, like I said, you wear it glueless, I don't see that not being true at all for any reason. But this is my first time trying this texture for them, so I don't know. I'm experienced with kinky curly hair, but this is my first time trying it from them. But so far, so good. Only thing I noticed is that I got a little bit of shedding. Taking it out of the package, barely touching the hair, like little stuff like that. It was a little tangly, just a little bit, but this hair isn't long, so that typically shouldn't be happening. I detangled this hair just like I do any of my other curly wigs, but I did get some like snags and tangling. Not sure what that's about. I'm just letting you guys know what I observed or what I've experienced so far. What else? But aside from that, it definitely takes a lot of water to kind of get this hair saturated. This hair just kind of eats up the water, so you will need, you know, to really drench the hair as you're going in to detangle it before you put whatever product of your choice. What else can I say? The hair is pretty soft, and with the help of the blow dryer, it actually does dry pretty quickly as well. It doesn't take forever for it to dry, which that is a good thing. Now, as far as the customization goes with this wig, they did a great job with the bleaching of the knots. They're not over bleached. The hairline is plucked real nicely. You could go in and pluck it just a little bit more if you wanted to, but it is definitely good enough. No product on it whatsoever. It is 100% glueless. I just have the elastic band adjusted and whatnot. You guys can see the hair is super full. The more you kind of comb it out, pick through it, the bigger it will get, but it's very full, not thin at all. I don't really have anything bad to say. I got some tangling, just a little bit of shedding, but that's really all that I could say about this wig. If you guys have gotten this wig from yourself and you would have had it longer than I've had it, you guys can feel free to share your experience down below in the comment section. This hair texture is really in right now, and I have seen so many videos on so many young ladies who have made this texture look really amazing. They really know how to do their thing as far as shaping it, and you know, everybody defines the curls a little bit differently, and it just really looks good on everybody that I've seen it on this far. So if you've been thinking about getting this texture, I would recommend my go-to, which I'll leave in the description box. But you could also consider this one as well. If you guys have any questions, anything I miss, of course, you can feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.